Well, my name is Darell Mase. I'm from Batavia. I live in Batavia, New York. And this car, I've owned as many as 30 cars at a time. Well, it's a 1957 Ford. It's a Fairlane 500, two-door top of the line Ford that year, Fairlane 500. Belonged to Jesse Thompson. He was a Ford dealer in Brockport. This was his mother's car. And when I bought it, it was all original, and it was yellow and white, which I didn't like the color. And my whole life, I've been into cars since I was 15 years old. And I loved in the 50s Chrysler products and Packards. There were a few other ones that they offered three-tone paints. So I always wanted to do a car in three-tone, so I made this one into a three-tone. And the black has got lots of metal flake in it, which shows up in a lot of different colors. And the white is a gold pearl. It's a Cadillac color. And the gold is a custom paint. It's also copper colored and metal flake. And basically, I'm sure if you're a car person, you love 57 Chevys, which is very popular. But actually, Ford sold more of these 57 Fords than Chevy did in 57. And I don't know what more I can tell you about it, but it's a lot of fun.